Here are 3 heat packs that each use chemistry in a different way to warm up. This heat pack contains a fine iron powder, a little bit of water, and some salt. The way it works is you remove it from this plastic wrapper, and the little packet that's inside, that's what contains the iron powder and the other ingredients. And it's covered by like a porous outer covering so that air can come in. And what happens is the air, oxygen in the air, interacts with the iron, and there's a rusting reaction takes place. And that reaction is exothermic, and so it releases heat. So let's just take a look. Right now, this temperature is about 22 degrees. I'm going to put it under here. You're actually supposed to shake this packet up a little bit to activate it more or let more oxygen reach the iron. And then let's just check the temperature. It started at about 22 degrees, and we'll check it after about 5 minutes or so to see where we are. So this is about 5 minutes after we started, and it has gone up from about 22 degrees to almost 30 degrees. So it's kind of gradual, but it is increasing in temperature. Let's check one more time after maybe 15 more minutes has passed. So it'll be about 20 minutes of total warming up time. So this is after a total of about 20 minutes. We started at about 22 degrees centigrade, which is about 70 Fahrenheit, and we're all the way up to about maybe 43 degrees centigrade, which is almost 110 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's a gradual warmer, but it does get warm, and it stays warm for a long time. Okay, this type of heat pack contains a very concentrated solution of a chemical called sodium acetate. It also has a little metal coin in there, which you bend in order to activate the heat pack. So let me try that. And what happens is the solution crystallizes, and that process is very exothermic or heat producing. If you notice, I'll move it a little bit here, this heats up pretty quickly. It started at about 20 degrees. It's already up to about 40 centigrade. I'll come out a little bit. So this one heats up a lot more quickly than the first one that we saw, the hand warmer that was based on rusting. And it's already in just like 2 minutes up to almost the same temperature the other one was up to in 20 minutes. This heat pack contains a chemical called magnesium sulfate, and it also has a little pouch of water on the inside. The way you activate it is you have to push down and break that pouch of water, which is not that easy to do. Then shake it up a little bit, and then it's the dissolving process that in this case is exothermic, it's heat producing. So this started at about 20 degrees or so, and we'll just leave it here and see how fast it warms up and by how much. So we're already at about 32 or maybe 34. I'll move it down just a little bit so we can see it better. And it's already past 40. And so this will warm up, and probably it's definitely faster than the one with the iron filings, but it probably doesn't warm up as fast as the crystallization one. But just like the other two, it's another process that's exothermic.